Hello and good evening. Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. Reggae artist Tarrus Riley and English singer Ellie Goulding are making powerful moves. The collaborative single Powerful with Major Lazer has been featured in the latest campaign by Imperial Armani. Emporio is the second brand in the Armani family, which features ready-to-wear and runway collections. The smash hit single featured on the Electric Trio's Peace in the Mission album was used in the company's new television ad, which currently promotes two new fragrances, Because It's You for women and Stronger With You for men. Preserving Peter Tosh's legacy. Tosh's music has been recognized as a catalyst for change and continues to offer encouragement to many. The Peter Tosh Music Festival, now a calendar event, is in its second staging, and organizers continue to celebrate the work and legacy of the musical icon. This year's staging takes place from October 19 to 22, with daily events leading up to the grand finale. Organizers are pulling out all the stops, adding a pre-recorded piece from Rolling Stones member Mick Jagger to be shown on final night. The lineup for the Peter Tosh Music Festival includes performances from Robbie Lynn, Dean Fraser, Steve Goulding, and Word, Sound and Power's original band members. The festival is of course open to the public. Dre Tosh, grandson of reggae legend Peter Tosh, is up and ready to carry on his grandfather's legacy. The 23-year-old reggae artist describes his journey thus far in the reggae industry.
Yeah, so my journey as a Tosh, for someone from the Tosh legacy, is in between a very cool and smooth journey and one that requires a lot of me because, you know, my name is Tosh. Grandpa left a whole lot of things for us to upkeep, and the legacy is a very firm legacy, have a good background, so we have a whole heap to do, have a whole heap of things to set in place and things that were there before. We have to keep it going.
As the family prepares for the second staging of the Peter Tosh Music Festival, young Tosh shares details on this year's staging and elaborates on his role in the festival.
On the 19th, we are having a gala. So it's an awards presentation. The 20th, we'll be having a symposium at UWE, and the 21st will be the show. My contribution to this whole series of events that we'll be having for Grandpa basically is Earth Strong, which is October the 19th. Each artist, as well as myself, will be doing two Peter Tosh songs and one of their songs. As well as the 22nd, we'll be having what we call the tour of the Peter Tosh Garden, and that is in Belmont, Westmoreland.
He also gave an update on his upcoming projects.
Currently, I have our two tracks, one coming in hot, which there's a video on YouTube for it. You can go and check that out. My next track that I released in the summer will be Don't You Worry, and in January we're looking to release a 6-track EP, and believe me, I'm telling you that you all are going to look forward to this one from Dre Tosh.
Popcorn and Bugle want you to live, love and laugh. The new collaborative single from the two dancehall heavyweights is getting a lot of attention. The feel-good track, produced by Bugle's Anointed imprint, will be available on major sites as early as this weekend. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Thank you for watching.